guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can block tags in your Steam account. So guys, if you're trying to block tags but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you, so let's get right into it. So guys, just look at the top right corner where you can see your username. Go ahead and tap there, and now you just need to find stored preferences, which is right between account details and view my wallet. Go ahead and tap there, and now just scroll down till you find tags to exclude. So guys, just write down the tag that you want to block or exclude, and you would successfully be blocking that tag. So let's try it with, let's say, golf. So you have blocked the tag golf. Let's try it a different tag. So there you go, you have now blocked choose your own adventure, and this way you can successfully block tags in Steam. Hope this was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.